Hey everyone, welcome back to CivilMix. Are you tired of starting your residential projects from scratch? Then buckle up, because today we're showcasing a time-saving game changer, a stunning 4 BHK 2-story house designed entirely in Revit, available for download. Let's face it, building a house model in Revit takes time. Walls, doors, windows, it all adds up. But what if you could skip to the fun part? This pre-made model comes with everything you need to jumpstart your next project. Imagine pre-placed furniture, pre-built families, and a meticulously designed layout, all ready to customize. Now, let's explore this beauty. Step inside and be greeted by a modern open floor plan. The expansive living area seamlessly flows into a sleek open pantry, perfect for entertaining. Imagine whipping up culinary delights while still being part of the conversation. The ground floor doesn't stop there. 2 conveniently located bedrooms provide extra sleeping space for guests or family members who prefer single-story living. A shared bathroom ensures everyone's needs are met. And to truly elevate your indoor-outdoor living experience, step outside and discover a refreshing pool, ideal for cooling off on a hot day. Head upstairs for relaxation and entertainment. Let's take the stairs to the first floor. Here, you'll find a dedicated TV area perfect for movie nights or unwinding after a long day. 2 comfortable bedrooms offer peaceful retreats, while a shared bathroom provides convenience. This house model is just a taste of what you get as a CivilMix patron. We're talking a massive library of Revit families and tons of pre-designed models, all exceeding 10 gigabytes of downloadable content. It's like a one-stop shop to supercharge your Revit workflow. This feature-packed Revit model is more than just a pretty design. It's a springboard for your creativity. With a few clicks, you can customize everything from furniture layouts to wall colors, making it your own unique masterpiece. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to streamline your workflow and bring your dream residential project to life faster. Remember, becoming a CivilMix patron gives you access to this 4 BHK 2-story house model, a treasure trove of Revit families and models, and much more. Head down to the description box below to join our Patreon community and unlock a world of design possibilities. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more Revit tips, tricks, and time-saving resources, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy designing!